Hello and welcome back to our series on technical analysis. In this video, I will be explaining supports and resistances and how to use them. So a support, we're on the here, we'll take a look at the Bitcoin hourly chart. So here, a support is a level that the price rejects to go lower. It's a support from heading lower. So if we look on this 1 hour chart, we can see a support at the 18,950. And here is a little trick that lots of the times supports are at big whole numbers and full numbers, like psychological levels, because people like whole numbers and that sort of thing. Here we see a deviation. We see a bounce, 1, 2, 3 bounce. So the more bounces and stability at support, the stronger the support level is. But a support, let me explain it to you like this. It is not a stone rock wall. It's not a brick wall or a concrete floor in that sense. It is not a concrete floor. It's more of a trampoline. When the price goes down, it gets absorbed. It doesn't rock the support. Oh, gone. It absorbs the price and recovers. But this can also happen, and this is what we see here. We see this support level being absorbed once, twice, and we don't break the support. Test it again, test it 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So that's a 6 times tested support. That's a very solid support level, and it works the same way with resistance. So we can see here, see 2,402. Realistically, it's 2,400 with a little bit of absorption. Not bounce, absorption. See? Well, this is bounce. This is bounce. This was all absorbed really quickly in one candle, solidifying this resistance. Rejection, bounce. This was an absorption. This is an slowly creeping up, testing, breaking through, testing again, breaking below, testing again, breaking upwards. That's 2 breaks pretty close of a resistance level, and the final retest turning this resistance into a support. Bam. Future projection can look like another retest at support, or we can see an absorption and still solidifies this level from a resistance into a support, or we break through it and retest it, solidifying it as a resistance. So this is how you use supports and resistance. Thank you for watching.